And here it is, the custom neon sign here, order on Amazon. That's how it arrived, well packaged, very strong packaging. So let's open it and see how it looks like. It's right now. All right, here it is. Hop. All the packaging was a bit destroyed, but the neon sign looks okay so far. So let's see. Included in the box, we do have, of course, a power block here that will allow you to power the neon sign. We do have here a tiny that I order. You have the different choice, but this is a tiny switch of on and just a basic functionality. Tiny switch. You have the possibility to also order a remote control if you prefer, but for me just a tiny switch was completely enough. Then you do have a chain to be able to hang your sign, so they provide you the little chain right here, up. Or if you decide to mount it directly on your wall without just hanging it, I guess you have also some mounting hardware right there. And that's pretty much all for the included accessory. Now let's see the neon sign itself. Oh, there is a little user manual or thank you card. Here we go. And now for the neon sign itself, look at that. It looks very nice, quite big actually compared to me. As you can see, it's not a tiny sign. Often the pictures show you something big and then you receive something very tiny. No, this is really serious business. Nice sign. It looks nice. Let's open it from, let's remove it from the bag here. All I can say is that it's very well packed. And the more I open the packaging, the more nice this sign looks like. So let's keep going. All right, here we go. The sign is all up, unboxed and looks very nice, as you can see here. So that's the name of my YouTube channel. If you are wondering, feel free to check it. But here it is, my custom neon sign. Very nicely done with my custom fonts that I choose and the custom color, which is blue. You know, obviously, I don't like blue, you know. But here we go, nice neon sign custom. Like I said, the letters are very nicely done. Good workmanship of creating this custom neon sign. And here in the back we do have, of course, the connector. We have to be careful with that. Don't pull too hard on the wire here, but we have the connector on the back. And they also pre-drill here you have some holes if you want to hang your sign. Like I said, you can choose if you want to definitely hang it, stays on the wall, or if you want to use the little included chain to remove it when you don't need it anymore, maybe. But here we go, guys, the nice custom neon sign that you can find here on Amazon. And well, whatever you want, they will do it. Thanks again for watching. Hope this video has been useful and see you next time. Bye bye.